Hi family, welcome back again to this channel. If this is your first time here, you are absolutely welcome. And to all my returning family, thank you so much. So today's video, I am going to be making a leave-in conditioner that will moisturize your hair, and even if you have the most driest hair on earth, this moisturizer will be able to moisturize your hair, define your hair, and make it very soft, guys. I will not even lie, guys, this video is highly requested. I am so super excited. So guys, this leave-in conditioner is the bomb, period. So the first ingredients we are going to be making use of is okra. As you guys can see, the spelling over this sachet is okra. I went ahead to purchase the powdered form because I saw this powder and I decided to try it out. So normally the vegetable is what I will prefer you to use, okay? Because not everyone will find this powder everywhere, and I will not recommend you because it was really hard for me to strain this. Anyways, guys, okra is very great when it comes to moisturizing the hair. And some people call it okra. Like, okra is my favorite soup mixed with ogbono. Oh my god, I love the soup a lot. So guys, okra is high in folic acid, calcium, zinc, and okra is a great treatment when it comes to growing the hair. It has a lot of benefits. It makes your hair soft and easy to comb. So I have about 2 tablespoons of my okra powdered here, and if you have the vegetable, just go ahead to take a handful of the vegetable. I'm going to be leaving what the vegetable looks like in the screen so you guys can see. Oh my god, I love okra. It reduces breakage and also a great coil definition if you have a coily hair or a very type 4 hair, guys. So I went ahead to put 2 cups of water on the pot, and then I went ahead to pour in my okra powder. Yeah. So if you are using the normal long vegetable, just go ahead to dice it up and then pour it inside the hot water the same way I am doing it. So okay, and then go ahead to stir it and put your gas or your stove in a very low heat. Don't allow it to burn down. Okay, as you guys can see, I love the sliminess that this is giving me. The powder also has the slimy consistency. As you guys can see, this is very slimy. So guys, go ahead to stir it up, and when it is about 5 minutes off your stove, and you guys will know when it starts to thicken up. As you guys can see, in the pot right here, it's starting to thicken up. Like the mixture, the sliminess is starting to thicken up. I don't know which word to use, guys, but I know you guys understand me. So if you enjoyed this video, if you love what you're seeing, why not join the family by subscribing? You have been watching us and you are not yet subscribed. What are you waiting for? Go ahead, hit that subscribe button so you will never miss out when I upload a video, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so that when I upload you will also get my notification. So guys, let it cool down and then strain it up. If you want to make things easy for you, just strain it immediately if you are using a filter, guys, so that it will come out easily. As you guys can see, there is a lot of powder in this, and this powder also went directly to my mixture, which I was not liking it. Okay, so if you are using the normal vegetable, it will not happen like this. Because this is in a powder form, I have a lot of the chunks in my mixture. But though I strain it again twice, as you guys can see, I'm using this strainer again to strain it, just to get a better fine consistency that will not have anything inside. Like, yeah guys, please give this video a thumbs up if you love what you're seeing. Then I will leave this to strain. I will use my hand actually to strain this again. Okay, like so. Yeah, I'm just pressing this out. This is so satisfying, guys. I love the way I was pressing it. It was so soft, guys. So after straining my okra, I am going to be adding 1 full spoon full of my aloe vera gel. This is a DIY homemade aloe vera gel. The video is going to come up soon, so subscribe so you will not miss this aloe vera gel, how to make your aloe vera gel if you don't know how to make your aloe vera gel, and how to use it for hair growth. So after the aloe vera gel, I'm going to be adding in my almond oil just to spicing things up and make this very, very powerful and moisturizing for your natural hair. So you can use this as a detangler without adding in all this oil, but if you want to use it as a moisturizer, you have to add in oil and essential oil. Essential oil is optional, guys, but I just decided to add it because it has a lot of amazing benefits. And if you want to know the essential so if you want to know the essential oil that I use lavender essential oil, guys. So you can use this as a detangler, you can use this as a moisturizer, which I will be using on my hair and that of my daughter hair. So guys, aloe vera has a lot of amazing benefits, so you want to add aloe vera to this okra, which is going to make things very, very slimy for you, and also it strengthens the hair. Anytime you want to use this, just go ahead to shake it up and go ahead to use this. Like, this feels so satisfying on my hand, and it was super soft. It makes my baby hair very, very soft, and it went ahead to detangle it with no stress at all. Like, the comb was just gliding through our natural hair. This is a very great detangler and also a moisturizer as well, and has a lot of amazing benefits, guys. The okra has a lot of amazing benefits in it, and also the aloe vera will help an itchy scalp. If you have itchy scalp, aloe vera also helps to decrease itchiness and also provide hair growth. Like, it has an amazing benefit. And also the almond oil is so great because it is a lightweight oil which has a lot of amazing benefits as well, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you find it helpful, please go ahead to subscribe, like I said, if you have not yet subscribed, and turn on the bell notification so you will never miss up when we upload a video. Thank you so much, and go ahead to watch the rest of the video, guys. And also after moisturizing our hair, I will go ahead to put our hair in a protective style, and after about some days, 3 days or 4 days, I will show you guys what our hair looks like as well, and also, you know, moisturize it with this okra moisturizer, and also seal it in with this butter with the oil like I am doing. This oil that I'm using, I'm going to be leaving it in the link in the description box, so you guys can also make yours, which is so simple to make. If you have any question regarding this video, please go ahead to leave us a comment down below in the comment section, or if you have a video request, go ahead to, you know, leave it in the comment section. And also follow us on Instagram, Natural Growth Secrets, guys. Thank you all, and God bless you all, and I will catch you guys on my next video. Bye for now, and stay blessed.